Hey y'all, so today I'm showing you how I made this really cute sweatshirt for under $10. So we're going to go to the computer first and we're going to go to our search engine and type in CSDS vinyl. That's CSDS vinyl. Okay, once that pops up, you want to scroll down to the actual CSDS vinyl shop, not the other places that sell the vinyl. Now once that loads, you're going to slide on over to where it says CSDS vinyl exclusives, and you're going to scroll down to where it says screen print transfers. So if you haven't had an account with them, I would suggest making an account and then doing this. So then you're going to scroll down and you'll see all the cute little screen transfers that they have. So you can see what they have out that's new. You can do it by category. You can do it by colors. So if you wanted something that's multicolor, single color, two colors, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Valentine's Day category. So it's going to show you everything that's in their Valentine's Day category. And I've bought a lot of these, I'm going to admit. So then I'm just going to go ahead and click on the one that I actually am showing you today. And that is the pink and leopard lips. I paid $3.50 for it. And then I believe I had a 20% off coupons. Once you become a member of CSDS Vinyl, they will send you all kinds of coupons. So here it is, and then you would go and check out. But my advice to you is to get at least $10 and then sending it to store. So if you live around the Houston, north side of Houston, the College Station, Conroe area, you can actually pick it up in store for free. You have to purchase at least $10 or more and you can pick it up in store for free. Other than that, you would have to pay shipping and handling. But I do believe if you purchase $50 or more, that their shipping and handling becomes free, that they will send you everything out for free. They do have a processing time, so you have to give it a processing time and then the amount of time that it takes for USPS or whoever they use to send it to you. I noticed that on their Facebook group, a lot of people are confused about that, but it's usually about 10 days that you'll get your product. So I'm really enjoying this website, this group, this company, and I just wanted to show you because I'm really excited about all the cute things that I've made from them, and this just happens to be one of them. So now I've got my screen press in and I'm going to make the actual sweatshirt. I decided to use this sweatshirt that I purchased from Walmart, and I believe I only paid $7 for it. So between the coupon and the sweatshirt, I'm at about $10. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring it down. A lot of the websites or crafters will say to go at least 3 inches down where you would start your decal. So we're going to place the decal, with the print side down. And then you do need a heat press for this. And you don't need an actual heat press. I use my Cricut press. And so what I'm doing is just making sure that both sides are going to be even. And then I will have my heat press set at 320, and it says to do it for 15 seconds, but because I have to do it in sections, of course my time is going to be a little bit longer. So I just section it out. I'll do like left, right, middle, bottom right, bottom left, something like that, just to make sure that every little piece has been pressed down for at least 15 seconds. And of course there's going to be overlap, but I haven't found an issue with the timing. It just, you need to make sure that you have it hot enough, but don't scorch it. Now time for the big reveal. Making sure that you lift up your paper slowly, because if anything is still stuck, you're going to need to repress it. Because I'm using the Cricut press, this happens quite often. If you had a firm heat press, then I don't think you would have to worry. But there it is. It does look distressed. Everything came out perfect. This is the way it's supposed to look. I just love it. One last thing I like to do is to flip it over or to do it inside out, and I will just press it to make sure that it's absolutely pressed perfectly. And then that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.